English Hebrew, go equals.
ללכת.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Strap in for a fun sprint through the verb, go, in Hebrew.
ללכת.
By the end, you'll be saying, I go, he goes, and even, it goes, works, like a pro. Let's go. Your goal today. You'll master the core forms you actually say every day. Target words. To go, equals.
ללכת.
I go, equals.
אני הולך.
He goes, equals.
הוא הולך.
She goes, equals.
היא הולכת.
It goes, it works, equals.
זה הולך.
We go, equals.
אנחנו הולכים.
You, plural, go, equals.
אתם הולכים.
They go, equals.
הם הולכים.
Forms you'll use right now. Repeat after me, nice and confident. To go.
ללכת.
I go.
אני הולך.
He goes.
הוא הולך.
She goes.
היא הולכת.
It goes, it works.
זה הולך.
We go.
אנחנו הולכים.
You, plural, go.
אתם הולכים.
They go.
הם הולכים.
Mini dialogue. Coffee escape. Listen and shadow the lines. Add some acting. A. The meeting ended, shall we go? B. Yes, let's go.
בוא נלך.
A. I go now.
אני הולך.
B. He goes too.
הוא הולך.
She goes after us.
היא הולכת.
A. Great, we go together.
אנחנו הולכים יחד.
B. You go first.
אתם הולכים ראשונים.
They go behind.
הם הולכים מאחור.
A. Does the coffee machine work? It goes.
זה הולך.
Funny scene, the rebellious shoes. Smile while you practice, it sticks better. My shoes refuse to move until I whisper, to go.
ללכת.
Then they shout, finally, he goes.
הוא הולך.
And sprint without me. I chase them yelling, wait, I go.
אני הולך.
They answer, relax, we go to the park.
אנחנו הולכים לפארק.
A passerby shrugs. It goes how it goes.
זה הולך איך שזה הולך.
Call and response drills. I cue in English, you answer in Hebrew, out loud. Say, to go, infinitive.
ללכת.
Say, I go.
אני הולך.
Say, he goes.
הוא הולך.
Say, she goes.
היא הולכת.
Say, it goes, it works.
זה הולך.
Say, we go.
אנחנו הולכים.
Say, you, plural, go.
אתם הולכים.
Say, they go.
הם הולכים.
Culture tip. How Israelis say, let's go. Sound natural with a tiny local touch. On the street you'll hear, yalla, let's go.
יעלה, נלך.
When someone agrees a plan works, they might say, it goes.
זה הולך.
Use it for, that works for me. Micro stories to shadow. Repeat each line with rhythm, your mouth learns fast. Morning routine. I open the door and I go.
אני הולך.
At the corner, he goes right.
הוא הולך ימינה.
She goes left.
היא הולכת שמאלה.
At noon, we go to lunch.
אנחנו הולכים לאכול.
You, plural, go early.
אתם הולכים מוקדם.
In the evening they go home.
הם הולכים הביתה.
If the bus arrives, it goes smoothly.
זה הולך חלק.
Quick quiz. Answer, then I reveal it after a short pause. Q1, translate, we go. A.
אנחנו הולכים.
Q2, translate, she goes. A.
היא הולכת.
Q3, how do you say, it goes, it works? A.
זה הולך.
Q4, translate, you, plural, go. A.
אתם הולכים.
Q5, bonus, the infinitive, to go. A.
ללכת.
30-second challenge. Ready? Say all 8 forms smoothly. Go. To go.
ללכת.
I go.
אני הולך.
He goes.
הוא הולך.
She goes.
היא הולכת.
It goes.
זה הולך.
We go.
אנחנו הולכים.
You, plural, go.
אתם הולכים.
They go.
הם הולכים.
Wrap up and next steps. You crushed it, nice work. Today you mastered go in Hebrew.
ללכת.
And all the key forms.
אני הולך. הוא הולך. היא הולכת. זה הולך. אנחנו הולכים. אתם הולכים. הם הולכים.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and for more lessons, drills, and fun challenges, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.